Number 1. 1986 Chevrolet C20 Silverado pickup truck. $6,000, Bonita, California. This heavy-duty 1986 Chevrolet C20 Silverado is equipped with the desirable 454 cubic inch V8 paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. It remains fully original with no aftermarket modifications, making it appealing to collectors who value authenticity. The truck runs and drives well and successfully passed smog on November 13, 2025. It carries a clean title, has good tires, and shows 40,800 miles on the odometer. However, the actual mileage is likely higher. Rust inside the cab is its primary flaw, but mechanically it serves as a strong and unaltered foundation for restoration or daily use purposes. Number 2. 1989 Chevrolet Silverado. $4,000, Garland, Texas. This one-owner, 1989 Chevrolet Silverado shows 111,000 original miles and features the dependable 5.7-liter V8 with an automatic transmission. Well equipped for its era, it includes power windows, power door locks, and the original AM/FM cassette stereo, indicating it was a top trim model. The truck runs exceptionally well with no mechanical problems and comes with a clean Texas title. For the condition and included features, it offers strong value as a reliable classic daily driver. Number 3. 1984 Ford F-350 4x4 Dually. $8,500, Harrison, Arkansas. This 1984 Ford F-350 1-ton 4x4 Dually is powered by the torque-rich 460 cubic inch V8 and shows 161,000 miles. It includes a flatbed, gooseneck hitch, and receiver hitch, making it ideal for towing and heavy-duty use. The four-wheel drive system works properly, and the truck is described as well-maintained. Older Ford 1-ton 4x4 Dually trucks are becoming increasingly uncommon, especially in functional work-ready condition, making this a valuable find. Number 4. 1973 Dodge 1-ton 4x4 pickup truck, $2,500, Grants Pass, Oregon. This rare 1973 Dodge W Series 1-ton 4x4 comes equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, a Brownie 2-speed auxiliary gearbox, and a PTO-driven front winch. Uncommon components, even for its era. A rebuilt 400 cubic inch big block engine is included, but not yet installed, so the truck is currently non-running. The body is described as straight and solid, offering excellent potential for restoration. With its unique, heavy-duty equipment, it is an outstanding project for classic 4x4 enthusiasts. Number 5. 1960 Chevrolet Apache pickup, $5,000, Palisade, Colorado. This 1960 Chevrolet Apache is a character-rich project featuring a 350 cubic inch V8 and a 5-speed manual transmission. The odometer stopped at 34,656 miles, and the truck requires engine and brake work. Notably, this model appeared in the bridges of Madison County, adding a touch of pop culture appeal. Early 1960s Apaches have gained traction among collectors, making this a worthwhile candidate for restoration. Number 6. 1982 Datsun diesel pickup, $4,900, Riverside, California. A rare survivor, this 1982 Datsun diesel pickup features a durable 4-cylinder diesel engine paired with a manual transmission and shows 150,000 miles. It includes a king cab, manual controls, and a sunroof. Well known for fuel efficiency and longevity, this model is especially desirable in California because it is exempt from smog testing, a strong option for enthusiasts of vintage Japanese trucks. Number 7. 1988 Ford Ranger XL 500ers, Spring Valley, California. This well-kept 1988 Ford Ranger XLT features a V6 engine, automatic transmission, and 107,190 miles. It has current registration and recently passed smog, making it ready for immediate use. With a clean title and solid mechanical reliability, it stands out as an excellent budget-friendly choice in the compact truck segment. Number 8. 1986 Ford F-250 Lariat 6.9-liter diesel manual, $10,000, Roseburg, Oregon. Powered by the durable 6.9-liter International diesel engine, this 1986 Ford F-250 Lariat has only 58,000 miles and is reported to start, drive, and shift flawlessly. While the paint shows age, the mechanical condition is described as excellent. With an additional fuel tank and well-preserved components, this early diesel F-Series example has growing collector appeal. Number 9. 1970 Chevrolet Ton C20 Custom Camper, $7,500, Talent, Oregon. This 1970 Chevrolet C20 Custom Camper shows 109,000 miles, rolled over, and uses the reliable 292 cubic inch inline 6 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It runs strong and has served as a dependable daily driver. Mostly original aside from the radio and rear bumper, it has typical rust for the era, but retains solid driver quality charm. A well-preserved vintage work truck with classic appeal. Number 10. 1976 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe, $500, Cerritos, California. Priced at only $500, this 1976 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe is a retired school district service truck. The odometer reads 53,757 miles, but has rolled over. It features an 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission, but is being sold strictly as is. At this low price point, it is best suited as a project truck or a parts donor. Number 11. 1963 Ford F-100, $15,000, Plover, Wisconsin. This 1963 Ford F-100 is in excellent overall condition and features a 351 cubic inch Windsor V8, a C6 automatic transmission, front disc brakes, an aluminum radiator, and new tires. Although the odometer is non-functional, the truck appears to have undergone substantial mechanical refreshing. Early 1960s F-Series models continue to be sought after, and this example combines classic looks with modernized drivability. Number 12. 1978 Ford F-250 Ranger, $15,000, El Paso, Texas. A rare extended cab special order configuration, this 1978 Ford F-250 Ranger has only 35,000 miles and includes new interior materials, newer paint, and fresh tires. Recent mechanical updates include air conditioning service, a new carburetor, brake booster, belts, and exhaust system. With dual fuel tanks and original ownership history, it is a well-preserved and highly collectible heavy-duty truck.